Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name's Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through today's trades. Now, for this week's video, it's going to be on a longer term strategy that we use here. When I say longer term, it's not necessarily longer term. It's, the trade was in for a few days, but anything more than 24 hours we count as longer term. It's a trade that was taken on the euro dollar at the start of the week. Trade's closed out now, but I want to show you the example of how the trade was provided firstly, when the trade triggered, and when the trade was closed out. So first things first, I'm going to take you to our analysis page where all the information is provided to our clients. So on this particular analysis page, you'll be receiving technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and trading opportunities on a daily basis. I'm going to take you to to Monday's date, which is obviously the 26th. I'm going to take you to first initially when the trade was provided. So we can scroll on down, and we're going to scroll on down to the euro dollar. So this was the trade that was provided, which was the short euro dollar at 13.80 with a 40 pip stop loss and a target of 12.20. Okay. So the trading floor is updated very, very early in the morning. Okay. Well before 8 AM. For longer term trades, it's well before 7 PM. Okay. So this information would have been available to yourself early in the morning on Monday. Okay. Now, if we take it to the actual chart now, when we go to euro dollar, what we would have seen, if we bring the chart across, we can see on euro, we go to the Monday morning, of course, we go to 13.80. Okay, trade triggered in about 9 AM, 8:30 to 9 AM. So plenty of time for you to have read that information in the morning and placed any order or placed any alert or even placed a trade whilst you were there if you wanted to. You can see the high here was 13.83. Okay, so it was almost an absolute perfect entry. 13.80 was a short, 13.83 was the high, and the market went down from there. So fantastic entry to take. You can see over the course of the first day, it goes well into 50 pips of profit. Over the course of the second day, it was 100 pips in profit. Over the course of the middle part of the third day, it was about 110 pips in profit. Then what occurred was the speech from Fed Chair Powell, which is a very dovish speech, which caused the dollar to lose strength very quickly and the euro come back. Now, what we do to manage these particular trades is I'm going to take you now to the Wednesday when the trade was actually closed out. We provided an update. So we always provide updates to our clients. You can see here, and we put the dates and we put the times next to them so you can see when the information is occurring. You can see the first update, obviously trade is triggered 8:30 within 5 pips, you can available to take. Second update, trade is 45 to 50 pips in profit. Move stop losses to break even and take a partial position out to guarantee yourself some profits. And on the 27th, trade is currently 100 pips in profit, move stops to plus 50. So not taking any more partial position, but moving the stop loss into plus 50 pips profit. So you would have guaranteed yourself not only the plus 50 pips there initially, but also the partial position you took out when you moved your stops to break even. So you're looking at a bare minimum of 50, most likely it's going to be 50, 60, 70 pips easy taken on the trade. And obviously in total the trade had reversed over 100 pips. There were some clients who took their profit around the 100 pip mark, because obviously you can take your profit wherever you choose to take it. So in regards to how the trade actually came off, it was a very good trade indeed, reversed very nicely, and it was provided well in advance of when it actually triggered. So ample opportunity for anyone working a full-time job in order to take the trade. Easy to manage. We notify you. Also, in addition to this, we send out email notifications as well. Okay, so in order to get access to this trading floor, trading system, and a mentor, we're actually providing free access on a completely free consultation. All you've got to do, go to platinumtradingacademy.com. As you can see, this is what the website looks like. You go to free consultation in the top right hand corner. Once you do that, pop in your details into there, the date and time that you'd like the call, and one of our traders will get in touch with you and will essentially take you through all the questions you might have about what we do, and also about all the strategies we use and how that will be able to effectively help around your job and around your lifestyle to bring in a secondary income or an additional income that you may already have. So in regards to the actual video itself, please don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. Don't forget to leave your details with us, and just have a wonderful weekend. And we look forward to speaking to you next week. Thank you very much for listening, guys. Really appreciate it. Thank you.